What is going on, everybody? It is Aaron Cates and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be polishing up the forces. I've done a video on these Zephyrs polish before in the past, but I was still learning how to use it, and I still am. I'm no professional by no means, but I have a little bit more experience now than I used to. And in the last video, I didn't really show a lot of using it. I did a lot more talking than I did showing. So today we're going to be polishing up the fronts and the backs of my wheels. I have some acid wash and I have a full Zephyr. It's the highest kit Zephyr sells. I don't remember what it's called, but we've got our cut, our color, and our finish. Got everything for these wheels. Already got the truck up on the jack stand in the rear. Got this side jacked up. Yeah, got this side jacked up. Let's go ahead and pull these wheels off. This Starbright Ultimate Aluminum Cleaner and Restore is what we're going to be using on these wheels today. Now, as you can see, the backs of the wheels aren't very shiny. You can see on both of them. The fronts are in a lot better shape, of course, like normal, but we're going to be using this on the back and the front of the wheels. I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm going to be using. It will be linked down in the description below. Okay, so this wasn't really planned in this video, but I'm going to go ahead and try my hand at it while I've already got these wheels off, and why not bring you guys along with me? So if it turns out great, you guys get to see it, and if it turns out terrible, you guys get to roast me over it. So I already went over this wheel over here. I already acid washed it. It's drying. I want to see kind of what it was like before I showed you guys how to do it. But I did some curb rash repair on that wheel. That wheel wasn't too bad, and this other wheel right here isn't really in bad shape either. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what I'm doing to fix this curb rash. A couple little marks right here, and then right here we've got a indentation. I don't really know what causes that, because it didn't affect the finish, but there's definitely an indentation there. There's none in the letters. Keep turning this, and there we go. Some curb rash right there. Now luckily, there's just a little bit inside this hole. It's really not too bad. What I did is I took 400 grit sandpaper on this wheel right here, and I went over it, and then I took 600 and went over that again. And those are the only spots I see on this wheel. There's a little tiny nick here I'll go over, a couple little nits here, but this is really the only curb rash. Quick disclaimer, one, I did not curb these wheels. If you've been following this channel, you know when I got them, they were already curbed. The kid I got them from said he didn't curb them either, but you never know. Had these wheels for almost a year now, have yet to curb a single wheel. I don't go through drive-thrus, I don't go through like pull up ATMs, I don't do any of that. I just parked and I walked up to places. I avoid any risk whatsoever. But disclaimer, if you're going to try this on your wheels and you mess them up, it is not my fault. Do this on your own risk. You could mess your wheels up, that's up to you. I'm not a professional, and I'm just a at-home DIYer, so try this at your own risk. Just like that, the wheel is curb rash free. This spot was that really bad spot. And as you can see, there's no more curb rash on it. So now let's go ahead and acid wash it. Now you just want to set them somewhere out of direct sunlight where they can completely dry. This one I did first, that way it would be almost dry by the time I'm done. So I just have to wait a couple more minutes and it will be completely dry. All right, everybody, we have our orange airway, which is our cutting. We have our orange rouge, Now, I don't know any fancy terms about this stuff, guys. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm an at-home DIYer. We got our orange rouge, however you pronounce that. Our orange airway, it's our orange and yellow. Just to get it cut, we have a 5-inch rake, just to rake it. I am wearing eye protection, and I am wearing a mask. That the wheel is cut. Now I'm gonna take some Pro 25 and wipe around and get any of this excess black crap off, and that way we don't contaminate the rouges. I'm gonna go around in Pro 25 and I'll put you guys back up. Just like that, the wheel is shiny. You can see myself. Now you can come through with your color and do the green rouge and the green wheel, or whatever you prefer to color it. I have the green airway and I have the green rouge. That's what came in my kit, but honestly you don't have to use that. You can use whatever you prefer. And now I'm gonna jump and I'm gonna cut the back. I'm only gonna cut the back, I'm not gonna color it, just give it a little bit of shine. So let's flip this wheel around and do that side. Excuse how dirty my face is. You guys know, if you've ever polished, it's all over your face no matter what you do. I had a mask on, I had glasses on, still all over my face. But if you want the backs of your wheels to shine like the front, you have to sand them. You have to sand them like 180, 300, 500, 600, and on up till it's butter smooth. But that's the only way you're gonna get the back to shine like the front. I would like them to do that, but I don't want to put in all that work for it, to be honest. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Polishing is a lot of work. I've got probably an hour and a half into this one wheel. I'm sure like I did this wheel faster than I have in the past because I'm getting better as I practice. But let me show you guys something I messed up on. I'll throw it. I probably already threw it in that time lapse just because I'm gonna say this now. My wheel right there. It's not very big or anything, but when the wheel fell off the wall, these tires are 1350s and these are 14 wides. So the rim is wider than the tire, and when it fell I heard it hit, and that's where it scratched it. So next time I polish these I'll have to sand that down, get that out, because I mean they're curb rash free now, so I didn't really want any scratches on it. But oh well, look how nice that wheel looks. I'm not gonna do this one on time lapse, but I'm gonna try and get all of them done before the sun goes down, get them all in the truck, and give you guys a look at it. If you guys have any question about polishing, like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm an at-home DIYer, but if you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll try and help you the best I can. I apologize that my face is so disgusting, but this is what happens when you polish. I mean, my arms are blocking everything. There's no way around this. But hey, wheels look good, and this is what you have to do to have nice things. So I'm gonna finish these all out, guys. Like I said, if you have any questions about polishing, drop them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. If not, I'll try and find the answer for you. And just like that, everybody, all of the wheels are polished. As you can tell, got that nice shine to them. Don't mind the fact that I look like I'm wearing eyeliner. Even though I was wearing the mask and the glasses, polish still finds a way to get on your face, and it sticks to like your eyelashes and like the areas that you can't necessarily scrub without having like your eyes open. So it looks like I'm wearing eyeliner for the next couple days. But the truck is all finished up. I had to wait and do the back wheel this morning. As you can tell, it's a completely different day. I'm all washed up, wearing different clothes. But I had to wait and do the back wheel today. My tie rod on this end needed some adjustment, and when I took it off, I believe the shop that did my alignment a couple months ago messed up the threads on my tie rod, because I'm pretty sure they cross-threaded it. When I took it off, all the threads just completely like fell off it. So I had to put a new tie rod on last night, and just whole dilemma. So got the wheels all polished up, guys, completely tailored. I'll give you all a little B-roll at the end of the video, but I said I'd wait and get you guys a shot in the daylight. Looks killer. I did the 1-step on the back, I did the 3-step on the front. You guys will see that in the B-roll. Get a nice little close-up for you guys, but looks so much better. I fixed all the curb rash on all 4 wheels. There's one wheel where the curb was pretty deep into the letters, so I wasn't able to fix it completely, but it's definitely better than what it was. Now all of the wheels are rash free, and they will stay that way because I don't curb my wheels. I don't go through drive-throughs, pull up ATMs, anything like that. I stay away from curbs because, I mean, you got $1,100 wheels. Each one is $1,100. Why would you take it through a drive-through and risk messing them up? I don't understand it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys would like to see any more videos like this, drop a comment down below and let me know. If you'd like to see any certain type of videos, drop a comment and let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before y'all leave, and hit the like button. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.
Our heartbeat cut into the ether. Star drifters, can you feel that? One love can make us all believers. A generation